Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is another Near Protocol update video, and if you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about one of the DeFi protocols on the Near protocol. And as you remember from my previous video about decentralized finance, this is everything you can do in the centralized finance world using Wells Fargo, Bank of America, what have you, but in a decentralized manner. And the part we're going to talk about today is Burrow. So they have an update that happened not too long ago. It's a pretty big update, so I just want to keep everyone up to date on that. And if you're unfamiliar with Burrow, we can go to, once again, DeFi Reimagine on the neartoken.org website, and we can see that Burrow is an interest rate market protocol, which is built on Near that allows users to supply and borrow interest-bearing assets. So that's pretty much it. You can deposit stake Near at approximately 11% interest per year, and then borrow against it. So it's a borrowing type of DeFi protocol. So let's delve a little bit deeper about Burrow, because that was very short. And here is their introductory Medium article, which gives you a lot of good information, which talks about the very beginning of DeFi, like we kind of have talked about previously. And now they say they're excited to introduce Burrow.cash, which is an interest rate market protocol built on Near that allows users to supply and borrow interest-bearing assets. So what does it do? It unlocks yields from the base layer. It unlocks yields across chains, and it enables self-paying borrowers. We won't necessarily get into those details in this video. If you'd like, I can do a deeper dive, but I think that would take a video in and of itself to kind of explain all of that. But that is what it does in a nutshell. It's very similar to, Aave, if you're familiar with that, or other type of lending and borrowing decentralized applications or dApps. So if you go to the overall website right now and then log into the application, you can see that you can either provide assets or borrow against the assets. And if you deposit assets, you can get up to 11% right now APY on USDT, and even USN even is giving you 12%, and then Aurora is giving you 69%. So there is some potential for a lot of APY coming back at you. And same with the borrowing side of the house. You could borrow against assets, and then that is the APY that you'll be borrowing against. So there's a lot more to it, but that's the main features I just want to talk about: depositing and borrowing as well. There's also your portfolio staking and bridging to other chains. But this update was about this tweet right here, and it's the beginning of a new chapter. The BRRR is now unlocked, so the BRRR token. You can now withdraw your Burrow tokens. Find out what this means to you. And they kind of break it down in the Twitter, but there's also a Medium article that does a great job of breaking this down as well. So the Burrow token is now unlocked. What does this mean? So after a month of pre-mining, the Burrow token is unlocked with a successful vote by the Burrow DAO to make the Burrow token withdrawable, and Burrow's pre-mining period has come to an end. So will there be a lockup period or an IDO price discovery event? Nope. All the tokens are unlocked and free to go. And then if you've accumulated your Burrow tokens or rewards on Burrow, all you have to do is go to the portfolio tab, click withdraw, and then you can, just like with any other asset, withdraw it. And then you'll see it in your Near wallet. And then what can you do with your BRRRR tokens? You can stake it and get multiplier rewards, which is very, very neat. And I do love that about DeFi. It's something you can't necessarily do with centralized finance. There's an article, once again, if you want me to do a deep dive in Burrow, I can do that, but this Medium article would be that deep dive. And then soon, some of the things that you can do with the Burrow token are the Burrow token listing on a Near decentralized exchange and farms, the integration to Aurora, and then listing on centralized exchanges and more. But that is what's coming up soon. The last thing I wanted to talk about is just the TVL, or total value locked, for all the chains in Near protocol as well, because TVL is a big portion to making sure and ensuring these chains are successful. And I think the Near protocol is doing a very good job. As you can see, and as you know, if you're familiar with crypto, Ethereum is the number one decentralized finance. So they have coin, so they have the most total value locked by far. There's they have over 50% right now. But if you continue scrolling down, you can see the Near protocol is not too far from the top. I look forward to it being in the top 10, but it is at place number 15 right now. And if we go to Near, we can see the Burrow app is the number 2. So it has the second most total value locked within the Near protocol. And the total value locked as of right now is about $400 million. And then Burrow itself has about $83 million of that total value locked. So that is one thing just to keep in the back of your head when you start looking into these different decentralized apps. Where are they ranked? Not to say that the 7th and last place is bad, but just something to keep in mind when you start putting money into these chains. But in summary, guys, I just wanted to go over this update to the BRRR token on the Near protocol's decentralized finance. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next one.